Welcome everyone, I'm Rose Oatley and it is nippy cold outside today. All I could think about was making myself a nice cup of hot chocolate. So today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade hot chocolate. To get started, I'm going to be using these Ghirardeli milk chocolate wafers. We're going to be using a 3/4 cup. I'm also going to be using this Baker's semi-sweet chocolate, and I'm going to need about 1/2 cup, so I'll probably be using about half of this bar here. But first we want to go ahead and chop it into small pieces. Now I know that a lot of us like to make the quick K-cup or powdered hot chocolate stuff because it's quick, but I think if you try this, you're really going to appreciate it. Something about this homemade hot chocolate, it just has such a delicious and different flavor to it. I think you'll love it. Okay, so I went ahead and shaved off a little bit of chocolate, and I'm going to reserve this for a topping later. You don't need a lot. To a small pot, we want to start with 2 cups of whole milk. We're also going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream, which is the same as whipping cream. Moving on to my stove, I'm going to start my heat at a number 8 just to kind of get the heat going. I want to go ahead and heat this up to make it nice and hot, but I don't want to boil it. All right, so after the 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat down to a number 6, and then we're going to start adding our chocolate. We're going to start with our milk chocolate wafers. Again, I've got 3/4 cup here, and then we're also going to be adding our 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate. Let's go ahead and mix this all together. And if you notice, my milk has already gotten pretty hot, so I'm going to go ahead and lower my temp to low. And then we're going to go in with the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which gives it a really nice flavor and you don't need a lot of it. I'm also adding a small stick of cinnamon, which gives it just enough of a nice flavor to it. All right, I'm going to give this a quick mix, and then we're going to continue cooking this on low for 10 minutes. Now, I like to come in between every minute and just give it a quick mix. This is also a good time to make your adjustments according to taste. If you like it a little less chocolatey or less rich, then just add a little bit more milk and a little splash of heavy cream and you're good to go. So it's been in here for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove my cinnamon stick. Let's turn our heat off. I'm going to be using a ladle to serve this just so I don't make a mess. Now we can't have hot chocolate without the whipped cream, and guys, I like a lot of it. What do you like more, whipped cream or marshmallows? Let me know in the poll above on the screen. Now it's time for our chocolate shavings that we reserved earlier. I love using this as a topping. I also like using sprinkles, peppermint. As a matter of fact, let me know what's your go-to topping. What's your favorite topping? At the end of the video, scroll all the way to the bottom and let me know in the comment section. Okay, now that I'm done taking all my pictures, as you can see, my whipped cream has gone down quite a bit. It has melted, so I'm going to add a few mini marshmallows. Oh, and I wanted to show you something. I can't believe I hadn't seen these. These are caramel-filled marshmallows. They are so good, guys. Let me show you one real quick. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one in half. Look at that. Doesn't this look so yummy? It really tastes yummy too. All right, you know what? I'm going to put this one aside. I think I'm going to add one in the middle here. Woohoo! Now let's give this a try. Oh my gosh. Nothing like homemade hot chocolate. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.